Hello! Today's topic is all about cleaning tools. Broom, dustpan, mop, flat mop, spin mop, scrub brush, toilet brush, squeegee, sponge, microfiber cloth, rubber gloves, duster, dust mop, bucket, spray bottle, vacuum cleaner, dust bag, plunger, window cleaner, dishwashing liquid, laundry detergent, bleach, trash can, trash bag, long-handled dustpan,